Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn about coding and decoding in reasoning. First, let's see about coding. What is coding? Coding is the method of writing a message in a secret way. Coding is the method of writing a message in a secret way. The coded message will not be a readable one. For example, hit. The word hit is coded as GHS. The word hit is coded as GHS, whereas the word GHS is not a readable one. It cannot be understood by others. What is decoding? Decoding is the reverse process of coding to convert a coded message into a readable one. Decoding is the reverse process of coding to convert a coded message into a readable one. The coded message can be converted into a readable one by using a certain logic or reason. Here the coded message ESOR is converted into a readable message ROS by writing the word in the reverse order. So writing the word in the reverse order is the logic used here. ESOR is written as ROSE. Next comes types of coding. There are 4 different types of coding. They are letter coding, direct letter coding, number or symbol coding, and substitution coding. Let us repeat: letter coding, direct letter coding, number or symbol coding, and substitution coding. In this class, we are going to see about the first two, letter coding and direct letter coding. What is letter coding? Letters are used in forward or backward directions or both to create a coded message. Letters are used in forward or backward directions or both to create a coded message. Direct letter coding. Letters of a word are directly replaced by other letters. Letters of a word are directly replaced by other letters is called direct letter coding. Children, for solving coding decoding questions, you must remember the following points. They are the position of letters in alphabetical order, knowledge of letters in reverse order, knowledge of how to find a letter before and after each letter in alphabetical order. The position of letters in alphabetical order, knowledge of letters in reverse order, knowledge of how to find a letter before and after each letter in alphabetical order. Children, let us see few examples. The first question is, in a coded language, if box is written as ANW, then how is I written? Children, initially write the letters in an alphabetical order. This helps us to find the logic or reason used. In the first question, the word box is coded as ANW. Here the letter B is coded as A, O is coded as N, and the letter X is coded as W. Here each letter is replaced by its predecessor, the previous one. This is the reason used here. So use the same reason to find the coded message for the word I. The previous letter of the word E is D and for Y is X. So the coded message for the word I is DXD. The next question is, if Madras is coded as NBESBT, what would be the code for Bombay? Children, as we know, first write the letters in an alphabetical order. Here, M is coded as N. A is coded as B. D is coded as E. R is coded as S. A is coded as B and S as T. Here, each letter is replaced by its successor. Successor is nothing but the next one, the next letter. By using this logic, let's write the coded message for the word Bombay. The next letter of the word B is C. For O, it is P. For M, it is N. For B, it's C. For A, it's B. And for Y, the next letter is Z. So the coded message for the word Bombay is CPNCBZ. In a certain language, people is coded as ELPOEP. Then what will be the code for human? Here the word people is coded as ELPOEP. There is nothing but the first letter of the word becomes the last letter and the last letter becomes the first letter. They have written in the reverse order. So human will be written as NAMUH. The last question is, monkey is written as XDJMNL. How will you write tiger in this code language? First, we have to find the logic used here. Here, each letter is replaced by its predecessor, the previous one. But it is written in the reverse order. The predecessor of the letter Y is X and it is written first. The predecessor of the letter E is D and is written as the second one. The predecessor of K is J and for N it is M and for O it is N and for M it is L. So the coded message is XDJMNL. Using the same logic, the word tiger is coded as QDFHS. I hope you understood, children. Thank you.